Can I be honest? Today's verse is such a hard verse to reconcile. Yes, I know it's probably a simple verse. If I love God, then I love his people. Well, sometimes God's people just don't know how to act right. And it leaves me wondering, is it them or is it me, God? Am I the one void of your love and your character? Or am I unable to love them because I don't see the love of God within them? These are all the questions I remember asking myself about the white evangelical church in America after George Floyd was murdered in May 2020. 1 John 4:20 says, "If someone says, 'I love God,' and hates his brother, he is a liar. For he who does not love his brother, whom he has seen, how can he love God whom he has not seen?" As Christians, we are to examine our own hearts all the time, because true love for God is evidenced by love for others. We cannot claim to love God while harboring hate in our hearts. Love is not just words or emotions, although I know we like to think it is. It is shown through kindness, through forgiveness and compassion. The true measure of our ability to love others and show it is our spiritual health, our relationship with God. We live in a world of storytellers, people who say they love and serve God, but unfortunately the fruit they bear says otherwise. Thanks for joining me for 1 Minute on Purpose.